Hey you good looking people, I'm here in Penrith today. After having to run an errand in Cambridge Park, I thought I'd come out and do the Penrith bridge to bridge walk and take you guys along. As always, pack those bags, fill those water bottles, and let's get going. So as the name would suggest, this is a bridge to bridge walk along the Nepean River, situated in Penrith. This bridge I'm currently walking on is pretty damn cool. Good day for it too. So the path that actually follows along the water, that you can see down there, currently closed due to repairs after the massive floods we've had several times now. Not sure when it will be open again. It's mostly a footpath walking at the moment, so fairly easy if you want to come with a bike, your kids, your pets. Nice and easy. Can always stop at the regional gallery to check it out too on this walk. We'll be crossing this bridge soon. It is the second bridge in the bridge to bridge walk. As you've seen so far, this walk is fairly exposed, so plan for that. Hat probably would have been a smart idea, but I've got some sunscreen on and I got enough water for the walk, which is the important thing when it's a bit warmer and sunny. Heading up towards the second bridge now. Let's keep going. So that was easily the worst part of the walk so far. Right next to the highway. Kind of ruins the ambience of the whole thing, doesn't it? Anyways, still a fairly nice Riverside walk, considering. It's getting a bit too sunny for me though. Onwards and upwards. Got a few options for lunch along the way too, in case you suddenly get peckish. That's actually rather convenient, even if you just want to stop for a drink or something. conveniently a playground and picnic area along the way. Some electric barbecues as well if you want to pack a lunch along yourself and cook it up. Or you could just park here and then come back to it once you're done with the walk. Quite beautiful. So it seems on this side of the walk you can actually walk by the river. Not sure for how long, but looks pretty new. So this may be some of the repairs post-rain last time. To be honest, I'm still hoping to encounter some snakes. I was promised snakes and I still haven't seen them. Fingers crossed, everybody. So there are several toilets along the way on this side, just for those of you who have tiny bladders and consume a lot of water. Very convenient. Another reason to come check it out. Walking by a playground now with a flying fox. Pretty awesome. You bet your ass if there wasn't kids here, I would be on it. Flying foxes are cool. I don't care what you guys think. Let's continue. I think it's quite easy to say this side, for the time being, is much better than the other side. Far more pretty if you ask me. Especially this section I'm walking through at the moment. Whew. Plus some nice shade as well. Can't complain about that, right? So that blue tree we walked past was meant to help raise the issue of mental health, as there is a lot of stigma apparently around talking about it. And despite my more than cheery personality most of the times, we all have those dark days. But you know what I found that has helped me when I'm feeling low? These walks. Doesn't even have to be a big hike. It could just be something like this. I know, it makes no sense trying to get out when you're feeling low on energy, but believe me, it works. I'm pretty sure there is scientific evidence to back up my point too. I'll try and link it below if I remember. Anyways, get out. So I'm at the point where I'm pretty sure the rest of this walk is just along the back street of suburbia. So, this is where I'll be saying goodbye to you because pretty sure this is not going to be an interesting section of it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that. As you could see, fairly easy walk with toilet stops, lunch spots, barbecue spots all along the way. No signs of snakes though. Still quite disappointed. Anyways, until next time, take care of yourselves, take care of nature, and it'll take care of you. I'll see you on the next one, you beautiful people. Also, remember, if you're feeling down, don't be afraid to talk about it. I'm always here to listen. I mean, well, read actually, but you know what I mean. Anyways, get out there and have fun. Bye.